In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set or change your Gmail theme in just a few easy steps. If you spend a lot of time in Gmail, changing the theme is a simple way to make your inbox look cleaner, more personal, and a little easier on the eyes. Whether you want a brighter look, a darker background, or just something fresh, this tutorial will walk you through the full process from start to finish. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. This will take you directly to your Gmail inbox. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account where you want to change the theme. Once your inbox loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen and find the gear icon. This is the settings shortcut inside Gmail. Click the gear icon and a quick settings panel will open. From there, look for the option that says See All Settings. Click that and Gmail will open the full settings menu. This is where you can adjust a lot of different things in your account, including your inbox layout, forwarding, filters, and appearance settings. Once you're on the settings page, look across the top and find the Theme tab. Click on it to open the theme options. In this section, Gmail gives you several visual styles to choose from, so you can pick the one that matches your preference best. Now click Set Theme. A theme window will appear with different backgrounds and design options. Take your time and browse through the available themes. You can choose a simple solid color, a more colorful background, or one of the built-in image themes depending on the look you want for your inbox. After you find a theme you like, click on it to select it. Gmail may show you a preview so you can see how it will look before applying it. Once you're happy with your choice, click Save. This confirms your selection and applies the new theme to your Gmail account. And that's it. Your Gmail theme will now be active and you should immediately see the new look reflected in your inbox. It's a quick and easy customization that can make Gmail feel much more comfortable and personal to use every day. If this video helped, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.